So I want to explain completing the square in this video and particularly focus on why completing the square works the way it does using tiles. Okay, using these tiles here. So first of all, let me explain the basic tiles. Okay, using this one right here. This is an x by x tile. So we have an x square as an area. This is an x, okay, it's an x by 1. It's an x by 1 tile, and this is a 1 by 1 tile. So x squared plus 14x is one of these and 14 of this. Now what I did was I put 1 here, I put 7 here and 7 here in an attempt to create a larger square here. Okay, so note what I did here. I took that, I cut it in two groups, two even groups, and then I think about, well, how many more single squares do I need, single unit squares do I need to fill this gap here? Because there's a gigantic gap here that we need to fill to finish creating our larger square here, which is called completing the square. And clearly, the number of single units we need is 7 by 7. We need exactly 49. That's why C needs to be 49, and we can create a larger perfect square here. And recall, the quick formula, okay, if you haven't seen this, the quick formula will be just get this number in the middle and divide that by 2, and then all we have to do is square it to get this value C. So that's a quick formula for it. And this formula makes sense because what I did here was I get this 14 and divide it into two even groups, 7 by 7, in an attempt to create this larger squared, right? And then in the end, well, I just asked myself, well, how many more single units do I need to complete fill this gap, complete the square? And it was clearly 7 times by 7, 49. Okay, so that's a visual representation of completing the square.